the Jollibee at SM Aura has a robot that delivers the food. It is so high tech.
So we're gonna test out the Jollibots sensors, see if it runs me over. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Ako pala si Bisayang Hilaw at ngayon, nandito na ako sa Manila. Ayos. So dahil nandito na ako sa Manila, hindi ako magbisaya pero magtatagalog na lang ako. Kahit slang, kahit mahirapan ko sa kalisod, mag-try gyapon ako. Mag-try pa rin ako. So wala dito ang joke ko kay doon siya sa hair salon, nagpabanganda siya. O doon na lang kami makita sa SM Aura kay meron kami isang maganda na ipakita sa inyo. I don't know if that made any sense, but me and my girlfriend are going to meet at SM Aura in BGC because we have something pretty unique to show you guys. Something that blew us away the other day when we visited that mall. So, tara!
In the arms of a stranger, I've been trying to figure out.
I don't even know if you can hear us. Alright, we're here at Jollibee, dito sa SM Aura with my Joa.
That's me.
Check out her new haircut.
I got it done at Coop. Hashtag spawn. But anyway, we're at Jollibee and we have something very exciting to show you today. I'm excited by it anyway. I think it's some very innovation.
Yes, we were here the other day and we're super surprised by what we saw. So that's why we're bringing you here with our boy Jollibee. But before we show you, we're gonna order some food.
So we've just ordered our go-to, which is always chicken joy. I got a 1-piece, you got a 2-piece, a peach mango pie, and a buko pie. And the exciting thing is that the Jollibee at SM Aura has a robot that delivers the food. It is so high tech. So we're gonna test out these robot's capabilities. It's called the Jollibot, and it's like a cat. It's super cute. Anyway, we'll show you.
And I'm sure a lot of you are gonna wonder if it's even safe because it's just kind of going through people. So I'm gonna jump in front of it and test its capability to stop.
Not like jump in front of it.
Just kind of walk in front of it, and we'll see how it does. We'll see if it runs over people or not.
It's singing. Honestly, I'm a bit nervous. So then, it's legit singing, so you have to press finish.
Thank you. Here.
Oopsies.
You broke it.
That one is coming. Yeah, I know that. Oh.
Now serving 501443 go.
Please choose the tray where dishes.
So you're probably wondering how it works. How can a robot be so smart? It's not crazy AI. It's not reading our minds. It is programmed to know the table numbers. So the table numbers have been like organized, and then here. And then they program that into the robot, and then it has a strict path to come here. You can program like more than one table number as well. So it'll go to one first, and then the next one. And then after that, it goes back to like its home. So like flying a drone, they set like a home, and then it returns home. It did, however, forget. Oh, bye, cutie. It did, however, forget one of our pies. So unfortunately, the robot's not smart enough to ask for help.
Sige, so ito ay go-to ko. Hirap ang Tagalog. This is my go-to dito sa Jollibee. 2-piece chicken, spicy, with a large Coke.
Robot! Oh, it's for us. It's for us again. Thank you so much, cute robot.
Salamat po.
Bye! Oh. Wow! This has some crazy sensors because it got through this space without bumping anyone or anything. This is science. We've come a long way. We may not have hoverboards in 2022, but we do have Jollibot. We still have this really convenient thing here. Super convenient. Yeah. Kain na tayo.
Oh. Alright, so me and Zoe have been in the Philippines for 1 month now, but before coming back, we were away for 10 months. And before we left, they did not have buko pie. So prior to coming back, peach mango pie was my favorite, but now I'm a firm believer in the buko pie. Zoe always gets the peach mango. Let us know if you're team buko or team mango.
I will never be a buko convert. Mango till I die.
She hasn't tried the buko pie yet.
This is not true. I have.
No, she's not.
Yes, I have.
This one?
Oh my heck.
This one?
Yes, I had it the first night I came back with Mike and Nelly.
Oh. Team buko. I actually love peach mango too, but. Alright, so we're gonna test out the Jollibots sensors. See if it runs me over.
Wow.
I'm alive.
It didn't hit you?
No, it's pretty good.
Impressive. Oh, look at her.
Oh, sorry. Alright, so bumalik na kami dito sa condo namin.
Wow, who's this guy?
Sala yung Tagalog ko. Okay lang yun. Alright, so we're back here at the condo. This is actually not our condo. This is Mike and Ellie's for making it happen. So shout out sa ilaha because they let us stay here while they're out of town. And we're watching their cat, of course.
Peanut.
Heyo. Alright, but we're gonna wrap up the vlog. We're curious what you guys think about Jollibot. Do you guys think that this is a good idea? Do you think that robots are gonna take over and destroy all the jobs out there? What
All
do
I
you
can
think?
see is this mosquito. I'm like a cat. I just
I don't know, my arm's heavy.
Okay, Jollibot is super cool. As someone who came from food, like fast food as my job, my first ever like 3 jobs.
Subway.
No, Red Rooster, Subway, anyway, all of that. It's strange to see. Like, there's no doubt it's gonna replace. Oops, swap hand, it's super heavy.
Heavy.
There's no doubt it's gonna replace jobs. So I don't know how I feel about that. I'm just saying, like, yeah, I don't know. But it's cool. It's cute.
Actually super impressed at its sensors. I'm actually very curious how much one Jollibot costs.
Yeah.
You know? Like how much they pay employees and if it's really worth it. We're gonna have to do some research. If I do research, I'll let you know how much it costs for one Jollibot.
How are we gonna find out the price of a Jollibot?
Google. No?
Just a Jollibot. We have some big news coming up though.
We do.
In the next vlog. I don't know if it'll be on this channel or my own. Maybe I'll vlog. Who knows? But stay tuned for some big news.
Subscribe to Zoe Palier. So, dito matapos yung vlog namin. Maraming salamat sa panood. At ingat kayo lahat. Nosebleed si Zoe.
No, I know what ingat lahat means.
Ingat
Take
kayo.
care. Whatever. Ingat kayo lahat. Take care, everybody.
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 Sige, bye-bye.
Bye. Wait, Peanut's here. Oh, my sweet Peanut. Oh, no, never mind. Ah! All cats are the same.
Ayo, ayo, amping pirmi sa inyong paglakaw, kadati